I think we're just going to move into our next performance. I would like to introduce you to a very veteran dancer. Her name is Gauri Sharma Tripathi. She's an artist in residence at South Bank Center. She trained in the classical tradition of Kathak, which she learned from her guru and mother Padma Sharma. Taking Kathak into non-traditional and collaborative environments, Gauri has choreographed and performed in shows including Coming of Age, Baiju Bavra, Escapade, Sapne and Waterscapes, Initium and Sufi, Zen for Academy. Choreographic highlights include Polaroid Feet, Sacred Monsters, Ronin and for Akram Khan. Also include the production Mahabharat for Sadler's Wells. Gauri has collaborated with the likes of Nitin Sawhney, Neeraj Chagh, Ashit Desai, Raghu Dikshit and many others. Zakir Hussain, Jagdish Mistry, to just name a few, even Elton John. For Gauri, dance is a way of life and it reflects the artistic journey. The simplicity of life portrayed through emotions and sheer joy of being from the beginning to the end. She is also joined by Neeti Prem Kumar, owner of Riya's Fitness, Zumba and Pilates instructor and a Kathak performer, learning from Guru Padma Sharma and Gauri Sharma Tripathi. Please put your hands together and welcome on stage Gauri and Neeti. They're coming.
नदियाँ बहरी Gauri perform here for us today, and completely awe-inspiring fusion of dance and exercise at its best. The aura and the mystique of the feminine form on display. Moving on to the next sequence. The fashion show is now going to come up with bright colors and hues thrown into gorgeous cuts, whipping up an amazingly heady cocktail of Indo-Western garments. Again, something unique to India, but spreading rapidly across the world due to its comfort factor and trendy chic style. All for the woman of today. Music. lovely ladies up here are professional models or ramp artists, but merely a good mix of independent, secure and strong women who have a flair for fashion and fun, and most of them walking the ramp for the very first time. A huge round of applause for them. A subtle message for all of us here today. You may not be hot or gorgeous, you may not have an amazing figure or a flat stomach, you may be far from being considered a model, but you are you. You eat and you love your food, are random and crazy and will go without makeup, and you won't pretend to be someone you are not. You are who you are, and the world will love you for that. And now I would like to call upon Meenal Wazirani to say a few words about her mother, who is also the creator of these gorgeous pieces of jewelry that you see the models adorning themselves in today. A big hand for Meenal, please.
Good afternoon. Everyone looks like they're having a really good time. In 1990, when Pramila Bhatia founded Kyo Creation as a timeless diamond jewelry brand, it always reflected her own aesthetic sensibilities. Gradually, Pramila's dream and passion expanded to include customized gold, diamond and costume jewelry. In 2010, her daughter Lisha Sajnani joined forces with Kyo and brought with her her accessory design expertise. The result today is a perfect blend of traditional design consciousness with a very modern outlook. Together, Pramila and Lisha have taken Kyo designs to an elevated level of customization with a unique offering of transformation of traditional heirloom jewelry. Time has changed, and with it, there is a need to create affordable yet unique customized jewelry to meet the requirements of today's customers. Each beloved piece of jewelry that is brought to Kyo Creation goes through an exhaustive analysis with the emotional, aesthetic and economical factors in mind. The designers work diligently with talented craftsmen to give the ornament a makeover. The final outcome is unique, contemporary and a more functional take on the existing piece without compromising on its intrinsic value. With its personalized client service philosophy and unparalleled creativity, Kyo Creation offers great style and best value for money every single time. Thank you.
Thank you, Meenal. We will be getting to see the creator herself in a short while, Pramila Bhatia in a while too. Moving on to yet another piece of romance to the self, brought to you in the form of dance by the master danseuse herself. This time I'd like to call upon Gauri Tripathi herself up here to address this very esteemed audience to say a few words about herself and her passion. Please give it up for Gauri Tripathi.
नमस्कार, आदाब। कुछ लफ्ज़ शायद हिंदी में बोलूँ। कथक की शिक्षा मैंने अपनी माँ से ली और मेरी बेटी, we are the 3 generation of Kathak dancers. My mother also dances. और आज मैं यहाँ क्यों आई हूँ, शायद ये भी आपके ज़हन में सवाल होगा। और मैं यहाँ इसलिए हूँ क्योंकि मेरे कथक की जो जर्नी रही है वो शोभा के साथ last 20 years से। Shobha has designed all my Kathak costumes. So today I bring movement and dance in fabrics and costumes. And it meant a lot for me when I collaborated with Shobha throughout my journey of performing as a soloist, performing outside, in the spaces in London. Some of you will be familiar with Trafalgar Square, the South Bank Centre, the Somerset House. All these costumes has brought breadth and a breadth of movement for so many dancers, young and old alike. So I want to really give a big hand to Shobha for not just designing artist. And that brings another level of Kathak. एक छोटी सी झलक मैं प्रस्तुत करूंगी आज जो कार्यक्रम आ रहा है उससे पहले. The next sequence is going to be on bridal. तो मैंने सोचा why not a ठुमरी. एक ठुमरी जो बिंदादी महाराज की लिखी है कहती है सब बन ठन आए श्याम प्यारे. सब जैसे आप बैठे हैं सुंदर सब ऑर्नामेंटेशन में 16 श्रृंगार में इस बार बुनाई का कृष्ण से मिलने आती है. सब बन ठन आई श्याम प्यारे में चंद्र वदन who has the glow of the moon, Mriga Naini, pouring sun. She burns husk with the family. मालती कुंठाएं, मालती की जो खुशबू वाला फूल है जो हम लोग शायद बहुत कम इस्तेमाल करते हैं अपने बालों में डालने के लिए. एक फॉर्म था, एक ट्रेडिशन था जहाँ पोइट्री एंड रोमांस एंड लाइफ केम टुगेदर. हम लोग की भाषा बदल गई है. हम लोग शायद इतना नहीं सोच पाते, इतना शायद नहीं महसूस कर पाते थ्रू इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. सो गेट बैक टू हिंदी नाउ, मोर एंड मोर हिंदी एंड उर्दू. मालती कुंठाएं केश प्यारे खूब वाले मांग मोती में सवारे चोटी पीठ पर रखे. As she walks in the gate to meet the beloved Lord Krishna. सब बने ठहरे आए श्याम प्यारे in the traditional Kathak form. But I'm breaking one rule today. I'm letting my hair loose. I'm not tying it in a bun. I just wanted to have the freedom to dance among friends and family and art lovers. So, Sapal Bane composition by Ashwin.
सजी ब्रज चंद पे चले यूं मुख चंद जाको चंद चांदनी को मुख मंद सो करत जात. कहे पद्माकर त्यों सहज सुगंध ही के कुंज बन कुंजर में कंज से भरत जात. धरत जहाई जहाँ पग है सुप्यारी तहाँ मंजुला मजीठ ही के माट से ढरत जात. हारन ते हैरो सेत सारी के किनारन ते बारन ते मुक्ता हजारन झरत जात.
To meet Krishna, she adores herself.
च